Hey everyone, it's Debbie Ann. Just a quick little video to show you guys these little floating pockets I made for a reward over on Patreon. I am going to be sending these very shortly, but the video is coming out once everything's been mailed out, just to keep an element of surprise for the recipients who, you know, might have watched my channel. These are fairly simple to make. They're just watercolored eco-dyed paper. And originally I was going to just take the 9-inch length, because these are from 9 by 12 papers, and I was just going to fold over the bottom. But a lot of the back sides of the eco-dyed papers weren't as nice as I wanted them, so I ended up just cutting my piece for the pocket and attaching it that way, and then some stitching around. And before I stitched, I added the vintage tape technique, which I showed you in a separate video. Super quick and easy little way to grunge any project up. On the pocket itself, I used my circle punches and added some circles here. This one here is out of craft core, and then this is an image from a book. And then I just backed it with some cheesecloth that I had dyed in turmeric. I laminated some leaves from my backyard, and I added a little skeleton leaf. These tags are from my Etsy shop. They are Autumn Harvest, and I hadn't used them in forever, and there's 5 different ones I'll just show you quickly. All I did to the front to embellish them was add these trading stamps. Each one has a different style of stamp, and the back was just, I printed just kind of like a cream colored letter background. For the tab, I used birch bark that I just stapled on. And this bark is from a tree that unfortunately we had to have cut down because it was growing right on the property line through our fence. So it was splitting the fence, and it was just one of those unfortunate things that we kind of debated over for a couple of years. We agonized over it because we don't like to have trees cut down whatsoever. But it was something we had to do, and so I tried to save some of the bark just so that I could remember the tree. I really liked it. So here's another one. This one here has orange stamps. This one here was one of my favorite eco prints. I think this was geranium or cranesbill. And the stamps on this one are on the bottom. A little tree. So this is a nice way to send happy mail to someone. You just create a little pocket. I love this guy. And then in a separate little glassine bag, I included some ephemera and a little bit of these little die-cut confettis and sequins on the bottom. So that's going in the envelope as well. So I just wanted to share these with you guys. They are being sent off very shortly in the mail. If you have any questions about the Garden Club on Patreon or anything about this project, let me know. I will put a link also below to these tags in case you're looking to make a little quick fall project. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!